Hi, I'm Ron Spiteri. Welcome to this TXM Lean case study where we'll review the Greenfield Plant Layout Development for Atco Structures and Logistics. Atco Structures and Logistics is part of the Atco Group of companies, a $15 billion enterprise with more than 9,400 employees. Atco Structures and Logistics operates manufacturing facilities in North America and across Australia. Atco's Australian team have been manufacturing quality modular buildings and workforce housing solutions for the Australian and Asian markets since 1961. Nathan Donnelly is Atco's manufacturing manager and the Plant Process Development project manager. Nathan explains the start point for TXM's engagement.
When we started our journey back in February 2012, we had a rather small operation in Western Australia. But our senior management in Australia and in Canada were both committed to growing the Western Australian market and growing it quite substantially, which was going to take a lot of capital. When we started, we had a greenfield site selected and there was a draft building design that had been completed by an architect. We knew how to build demountable buildings, but we wanted to look at the way we did them because we pretty much reproduced everything that we'd done for the last 30 years at every site we went to. We saw this as a good opportunity to start fresh. Greenfield site gave us a lot of opportunities to start at the base and work up, but we didn't really have the expertise in-house to bring in a lot of lean systems. Senior management were committed to the change. And we got the team together to start off, and from day one everyone was prepared to do what we needed to do to get it across the line.
Utilising TXM's plant layout development process, TXM guided the Atco team through the derivation of an alternate operational philosophy. Key stakeholders assembled for a 4-day event to convert the preparatory process walks into an aspirational future state model that included the engineering, safety, quality, supply chain, manufacturing and facility requirements. This resultant paradigm shift provided an array of benefits, best explained by Nathan.
On completion of the 4-day K-Zone event, there were a couple of key takeaways that we got from the event. The first one in regards to the facility design was the roof area being reduced from 21,000 square metres to 15,000 square metres. We also reduced the working height of the roof by 2 metres, allowing us to use standard trusses instead of Aramax external trusses. We removed 4 100-metre long 10-tonne cranes, and we also reduced the loading of the concrete from 40 tonne to 20 tonne. Overall, that reduced the capital investment in the facility by $6 million. We also were able to make changes in capacity. We went from 6 floors a day to 13 floors a day. We reduced our labour inputs by approximately 30%, but we also made changes in our safety. We brought in clear segregation areas between mobile plant and personnel. We substantially reduced our working at heights risks, and we substantially reduced our manual handling risks. On top of that, we were able to reduce our lead time from 17 days to 4 days, while also maintaining flexible cell configuration, which gave us the ability to change from different types of unit with minimal changes to the facility.
I'm Ron Spiteri. Thank you for watching this TXM Lean case study.